Good morning, sir. I am Narciso E. Balati, a respiratory therapy intern. And now, sir, I will assess your thorax and lungs to check your breathing. Is that okay, sir?
It's okay.
Before we start, sir, may I know your name
I'm a wasn't you that long.
and age, sir,
I'm 28,
and birthday, sir?
April 18, 2005.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I need to inspect, palpate, percussion, and auscultation. And now, sir, I will perform hand hygiene to prevent infection. Sir, do you have any family history of lung disease, sir?
No.
Allergies?
No.
Tuberculosis, sir? And lifestyle habits such as smoking and occupational hazard?
No.
Any medication being taken? Current problem such as swelling,
No.
cough,
No.
wheezing,
No.
pain?
No.
Thank you, sir. Now, sir, I will inspect your shape and symmetry of your thorax from posterior and lateral view. Okay, sir, thank you. Next, sir, I will inspect your spinal alignment of deformities. Can you please stand up, sir? Bend slightly, sir, forward. Thank you, sir. You may sit now, sir. Palpate your posterior thorax. Did you feel pain, sir?
No.
Here, sir.
No.
Here?
No.
Here, sir.
No. 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 No.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. I will palpate your anterior upper chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. Let me allow to touch your lower chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. I will palpate your posterior lower chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. I'm going to percuss your anterior chest. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. I'm going to percuss your posterior thorax. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. I'm going to auscultate your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Game.
Okay, sir. I'm going to auscultate your posterior thorax. Inhale, exhale. 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 Okay, sir. We are done. Thank you. As I palpate my patient earlier, as for his scapula or symmetrical, and I don't see any abnormalities. And for the shoulder and the scapula, it is equally horizontal of the posterior of my patient. And I don't have seen any sign of kyphosis, scoliosis, or any missed line in the spinal cord.